Tyro 129 maiden flight. Managed to get smart audio working thanks to Curry Kitten. Running the R9 Slim Plus. I've left every GPS and everything on it, so hopefully it all goes well. I've got in the air fluid a bit line of sight anyway. I've only got a 1500 in it, so we'll just have a bit of a look and see if the rescue works, and then I might put a bigger battery and go for a bit longer flight. I'll fly out to about 300 metres I suppose, and I'll just switch a flick and see what happens. Never used GPS before. I'm on 10 milliwatts on the transmitter and 200 milliwatts on the VTX. It's not pretty high, but anyway. VTX a bit scratchy. I'm back in control now. Trying to get rescue back again so I can try it out again over here, but you got the 5 satellites. I'll get 6 now, I'll give it a try. Hear it, I think you might look at those settings, that's probably going too fast, I'm not sure. About 1,000 miles in the air. See how we go now. I've got half a house brick underneath it. I've got it on the 1 watt adaptive auto, 600 on the VTX. We'll just go for a bit of a cruise and see what happens.
made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe. Won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe. Won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe. Won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? You made this work.
Well, we got our aim in one piece, went out over a kilometre. Still think this VTX might be getting an upgrade. Wasn't that far away when she got sketchy a few times, but anyway. Probably not going to really need to go a lot further than that, so I'm going away on Saturday, so I wanted to make sure this thing worked because I want to use it on the river. So anyway, cheers.